हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे बफर ओवरफ्लो विथ एग्जांपल। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। बफर्स हैव डेटा स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी। इफ द डेटा काउंट एक्सीड द ओरिजिनल, अ बफर ओवरफ्लो occur. Buffer are developed to maintain finite data. Additional information can be directed wherever it is needed. The extra information may overflow into neighboring buffers, destroying or overwriting the legal data. For example, the following C program illustrates how buffer overflow attack works and where attacker easily manipulate the code. You can see code character target 5 is equal to t 4 टाइम आएगा, कैरेक्टर अटैकर 11 ए कितने बार आएगा 10 टाइम। नेक्स्ट स्ट्रिंग कॉपी ब्रैकेट में अटैकर डी कितने बार आएगा 14 टाइम। नेक्स्ट प्रिंट एंड रिटर्न 0 और कर्ली ब्रैकेट क्लोज। तो ये है सी प्रोग्राम कोड। अभी देखते हैं बफर ओवरफ्लो कैसे होगा। ओके, हियर स्ट्रिंग कितना है 30 एंड बफर 11। अभी ये जो स्ट्रिंग है ये बफर में अटैक कर बफर में कॉपी होगी, लेकिन बफर 11 है और स्ट्रिंग 13 है, तो जो लास्ट के दो है वो क्या होगा ओवरफ्लो होगा। तो वो ऐसे ओवरफ्लो होता है क्योंकि इधर प्लेस ही नहीं है, इधर सिर्फ 11 स्ट्रिंग को ही प्लेस है, रिमेनिंग 2 आर ओवरफ्लो। तो ऐसे वो बफर ओवरफ्लो होता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं अभी। The program seems to be just another normal program written by a programmer. However, the cause of this code lies a small manipulation by the attacker. If examined closely, the actual problem is explained step by step as follows. Okay. First one is during compilation of the program, the following lines of code are executed. So these two lines are executed. At this point, a buffer called target that can hold up to the 5 character is created. Then the program places 4t into the target buffer. The program then creates a buffer called attacker that can hold up to the 11 character. Then the program places 10 as into the attacker buffer. The program compiles these two lines of code. The following is snapshot of the memory in the system. The content of the target of attacker buffer are placed in the memory along with null character. So ये है ऐसे वो मेमोरी में T4 टाइम null character, ये 10 टाइम और ये रिमेनिंग ये 6। तो ऐसे वो मेमोरी में आएगा। तो ये है बफर ओवरफ्लो। अभी देखते हैं स्टैक मेमोरी इनिशियली। ओके, फर्स्ट इज आफ्टर कंपाइलिंग द प्रीवियसली मेंशन 2 lines of code, the compiler compiles the following lines of code. It means here 2 lines of code, string copy and printf. Here this line of code, the string copy function is used, which copies the 13 character of the letter D into the attacker buffer. After this program prints the content of the target buffer. The string copy function of the C program copies the 13D character into the attacker buffer, whose memory space is only 11 character, because there is no space for remaining D character. It's a memory of target buffer, destroying the content of the target buffer. Here is a snapshot of the system memory after the string copy function is executed. You can see the on screen after string function is executed how it's look. Okay, next अभी देखते हैं how buffer overflow occur. A program which seem to less problematic create a buffer overflow attack just by manipulating one command. In the current scenario, the focus is primarily on a application programming interface. Application programming interface, which is set of programming convocation facilitating directing communication with another piece of code, and the protocol, which is set of the data and command to be passed between program. it it is fact that many programs use a standard code provided by operating system when they want to be used protocol. The API associated with a program and concern protocol determine the nature of the information that can be exchanged by the program. For instance, consider a simple login form. Okay, the login program can define the length of the input data can be accepted as the username. However, if the program does not check for length, it is possible that storage space allotted for the data may be used up, causing other areas in the memory to be used. If attacker is able to detect these vulnerabilities, he or she can execute arbitrary code by causing the web application to act mistakenly. So यह है stack memory initially. Thank you for watching.